Hey, gorgeous! Welcome back to Globe, your daily dose of feminine grace. Today, we're having the most important girl talk ever. Everything you need to know about your period, babe. Whether you're still waiting for your first one or you've been dealing with Aunt Flo for years, this is your complete guide to understanding your beautiful, powerful body. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's dive into this together. No shame, just pure feminine wisdom. Okay, babe, let's start with the basics. Your period is literally your body's way of saying, I'm healthy and I'm working perfectly.
Wow.
How amazing is that? Every month, your gorgeous body prepares for the possibility of pregnancy by building up this soft, cozy lining in your uterus. Think of it like redecorating a room with the fluffiest blanket ever. When pregnancy doesn't happen, your smart body just cleans house and starts fresh. That's your period, hun. This whole beautiful process is controlled by 4 main hormones: estrogen, progesterone, FSH, and LH. They're like your body's girl squad, working together to keep everything in perfect harmony. You don't need to memorize all this, but isn't it so cool how your body just knows what to do? We're literally walking miracles, babe. Now, let's talk about your monthly glow-up cycle. There are 4 gorgeous phases, and each one is special. Phase 1, your period phase, days 1 to 7. This is day 1 of your cycle, babe. Your body is literally cleansing and renewing itself. Think of it as your monthly reset. So powerful. You might feel a little tired, and that's totally normal. Your body is doing important work. Phase 2, your fresh start phase, days 1 to 14. This happens at the same time as your period and continues after. Your estrogen starts rising, which means you might start feeling more energetic and glowy. It's like your body's way of saying, let's glow up, babe. Phase 3, your power phase, around day 14. This is ovulation, gorgeous. You're literally at your most fertile and powerful. Many women feel super confident and radiant during this time. Your body is peak goddess energy. Phase 4, your cozy phase, days 15 to 28. Hello, progesterone. This hormone makes you want to nest and take care of yourself. You might crave comfort foods or want to stay in. Totally normal. Listen to your body, babe. Okay, bestie, if you're still waiting for your first period, you're probably wondering when it's going to happen. Most girls get their first period between ages 11 to 14, but some get it earlier or later, and that's totally fine. Your body will give you some sweet little hints first. Your breasts might start developing, growing up. You might have growth spurts and get taller. You'll start noticing some vaginal discharge. This is just your body preparing. You might start feeling more emotional. Hormones are powerful, babe. And here's some real talk. Your cycle might be a bit irregular for the first year or 2, and that's completely normal. Your body is still figuring things out. A normal cycle can be anywhere from 21 to 35 days, so don't stress if yours doesn't match your bestie's exactly. If you're worried about getting your period at school, pack a cute little emergency kit with pads, wipes, and maybe a change of underwear. You've got this, gorgeous. Let's talk about period products, babe. You have so many options, and it's all about finding what makes you feel comfortable and confident. Pads. These are perfect for beginners. They're easy to use, and you can't feel them when they're positioned right. Great for overnight protection, too. Tampons. These go inside your body and are perfect for swimming or sports. Don't worry, they won't get lost. Your body is designed to keep them in place. Menstrual cups. These are eco-friendly and can last for years. They take a bit of practice, but many women love them once they get the hang of it. Period underwear. These are literally underwear that absorb your period. Perfect for light days or as backup protection. The most important thing, Change whatever you're using regularly, every 3 to 4 hours for tampons and pads, and wash your hands before and after. Your hygiene routine is part of your self-care, babe. Oh, and please don't douche. Your body is naturally self-cleaning, and douching can actually cause problems. Your vagina is perfectly designed to take care of itself. Trust your body. Real talk time, gorgeous. Periods can come with some not so fun symptoms, but there are so many ways to make yourself feel better. Common symptoms you might experience: cramps, your uterus is just doing its job; bloating and feeling a bit puffy; mood changes, hormones are powerful, babe; fatigue or feeling more tired; breakouts, but manageable; food cravings, yes, chocolate is totally valid. Your period self-care toolkit includes heat pads or hot water bottles for cramps, gentle exercise like yoga or walking, stay hydrated with lots of water, eat nourishing foods, but also honor those cravings. Get extra sleep, your body needs it. Take warm baths with Epsom salts, practice deep breathing or meditation. Remember, babe, PMS affects up to 75% of us, so you are definitely not alone. Be extra gentle with yourself during this time. You deserve all the love and care in the world. Okay, bestie, most period experiences are totally normal, but there are a few times when you should definitely chat with a healthcare provider. Think of them as your wellness team. Reach out if you experience severe pain that keeps you from your normal activities, super heavy bleeding, changing a pad or tampon every hour, periods that suddenly stop for no reason, irregular cycles that don't settle into a pattern after 2 years, periods that last longer than 7 days consistently. Some conditions that can affect your period include PCOS, which is polycystic ovary syndrome, endometriosis, thyroid issues, and anemia. Don't be scared, babe. These are manageable conditions, and getting help early is always the best choice. Your doctor is there to help you feel your best, and there's nothing embarrassing about taking care of your body. Also, if you're considering hormonal birth control to help with heavy periods or painful cramps, that's a conversation worth having with your healthcare provider. They can help you understand all your options. Here's where it gets really fun, babe. Getting to know your unique cycle. Tracking your period is like having a superpower because you'll start to predict when it's coming and how you'll feel. What to track? Start and end dates of your period, flow intensity, light, medium, or heavy, symptoms you experience, your mood and energy levels, any pain or discomfort. How to track? Use a cute app like Clue, Flow, or Period Tracker. Keep a pretty journal or calendar. Just mark it on your regular calendar. Or just get my calendar tracker via the link down below. I have to do it, bestie, sorry. Once you start tracking, you'll notice patterns, like maybe you always get emotional 2 days before your period, or you always crave chocolate during ovulation. This knowledge is power, gorgeous. You can plan your life around your cycle. Maybe schedule important events during your high energy phases, or plan cozy self-care days when you know you'll need them. It's all about working with your body, not against it. Let's talk about something super important, babe. Periods are not shameful. For way too long, society has made us feel like we need to hide this completely natural part of being a woman, and that's just not okay. Your period is natural and healthy, a sign that your body is working properly, something to be informed about, not ashamed of, and a topic you can discuss openly with people you trust. Let's normalize talking about periods. Share accurate information, support your friends, and remember that people of all gender identities can menstruate. Trans men, non-binary folks, and women. Using inclusive language helps everyone feel supported. You are not dirty, broken, or less than because you have a period. You're literally experiencing one of the most powerful biological processes in the human body. That's pretty incredible, babe. Time to bust some period myths, gorgeous. Let's set the record straight. Myth: you can't exercise during your period. Fact: exercise can actually help with cramps and boost your mood. Myth: you can't swim with a tampon. Fact: totally safe. Water pressure prevents flow while you're submerged. Myth: period blood is dirty. Fact: it's just blood and tissue, completely normal and natural. Myth: you can't get pregnant during your period. Fact: while less likely, it's still possible. Always use protection if you're sexually active. Myth: periods sync up when women live together. Fact: this is actually not scientifically proven, just a coincidence. Knowledge is power, babe. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel. Okay, gorgeous, we've covered so much today. From understanding your cycle to busting myths, you're now equipped with all the knowledge you need to feel confident and empowered about your period. Remember, your period is natural and beautiful. Every woman's experience is unique. You deserve to feel comfortable and supported. It's okay to ask questions and seek help. You're part of an amazing community of women who've got your back. Your period doesn't define you, but understanding it can absolutely empower you. You're strong, you're beautiful, and you're capable of anything, period or no period. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with any girl who needs to hear this message. Subscribe to Glow Babe for more feminine wellness content. And remember, you've got this, babe. Drop any questions in the comments below. This is a safe space for all your period questions. Until next time, keep glowing.